It's Laurens de Rijken. I'm the owner, founder of De Rijken & Co. I'm an industrial designer from background. This was the first watch I developed. The special trick in the watch was that it's a driver watch. So you can rotate the case. I started the brand, or started developing about 12 years ago. I did a trip on an old Vespa from 1963. I drove it all the way up to Kyrgyzstan and China, the Chinese border. And during that trip I bought a watch. And I was wearing the watch, of course, like this on my wrist. So like that on my Vespa. But it gave me the inspiration because I couldn't tell the time properly when I had my hands on the steering wheel. So I thought, what happens if I develop a watch that I can rotate the angle? So that started my brand. About 5 years ago, we did a collaboration with the Dutch Miffy. It's a quintessentially Dutch character. And we put her on the moon phase and made her all 3D and filled with Superluminova. And this really launched my brand. And this one is the last one we did. It's a full ceramic, white ceramic case. It's still water resistant, 5 ATM water resistance. And we make our watches in the Netherlands.